Hey everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today, we're going to show you how to automatically answer phone calls on your iPhone. It's super easy. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down a little bit until you see Accessibility, and tap on it. Okay, now scroll down again until you find Touch, and tap there. Next, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find Call Audio Routing, and tap on that. Great. Now tap on Auto Answer Calls. See that toggle? You're going to want to switch that on. Once you do that, you'll see a new setting pop up below where you can change the duration of time before your call is answered. You can tap on the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time, or if you want to put in a specific number of seconds, just tap on the box and type it in. For example, I'm going to type in 5.5 seconds. Alright, we're all set. Now when you receive a phone call, it's going to automatically be answered within the specified amount of seconds you selected. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.